Hi, my name is Laurel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to mix and give your hCG trigger shot. hCG comes in 10,000 or 5,000 units, and your clinic will tell you how much to give. It typically will come in 10,000, and that's what I'm going to show you today. So to start, you're going to have your powder, your liquid for mixing, your needle and syringe combination, and then if you're told to give it subcutaneous, you'll have a little needle that you're going to switch it to before you give it. So to start, you'll take the caps off of your powder and your liquid, and you will take your syringe and needle out. And we typically tell you to mix it with 1 cc. So you're going to put 1 cc of air in the syringe first. And then before you do any of the mixing, you always want to alcohol the top of your vials for safety. You'll pull the cap off, and you'll put this straight into the circle in the middle of the liquid. Push the air in, turn it upside down, invert it, and then you're going to pull back till you have 1 cc of liquid. Now, if you can see the needle in the liquid, then you know you're in the right spot. So pull back on the needle until you can see that tip in the liquid. If you go too far, that's good. You're just going to push the extra air back into the vial until you're at the 1. Reinvert, take it out. Now this liquid is going to go into the powder. Push it all in. Pull your needle out. And to recap, you're going to want to just slide the needle into the cap on the counter. That's the safest way, so you don't poke yourself. This liquid is no longer needed. This is your gold. This is what you're going to give. So just swirl it around a little until it's mixed. You want it to be clear again. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to put 1 cc of air in your syringe, put the needle in, invert it, and pull back until the tip is as low as you can get it. So you can pull all of that liquid into the syringe. Push the air in and pull the liquid back into the syringe. Get as much as you can. And if you have a large bubble at the bottom, you can flick it to the surface. And you want to push the air out. Now, if you're giving this intramuscularly, then you're going to want a friend to give it. And this is the site, either the left or the right hip, where these X's are. If you're going to give it subcutaneous, you're going to need to switch the needle. So if it's IM, you're ready to give it. And we'll go through that, and then we'll show you how to do the sub-Q shot. So the IM shot, you're going to have your friend or your partner give you a good pinch in the hip, and you want to pinch super hard because that's going to trick the skin into not feeling the poke. So just pinch real hard, poke straight in, all the way to the hub, let go, inject the medication, wait 3 seconds, pull out, and hold firmly on the skin surface. That's going to stop the bleeding and the medicine from leaking out. After about 30 seconds, check the site. If it's bleeding or leaking medicine, keep holding it until it's dry, and then you're done. To give a subcutaneous shot, you're going to need, I wasn't recapping that correctly, so slide it on the counter, recap, twist it off, and then you're going to get your subcutaneous needle. It's a little 1/2-inch needle. Twist that on. Take the cap off. And then this shot is given in the abdomen. You can pick a spot anywhere you'd like as long as there's no bruise. You want to stay about 1 inch away from the belly button. Squeeze. Inject straight in, let go of the squeeze, and inject. Inject the whole medication, wait 3 seconds, pull out, and hold. If after 3 seconds, no bleeding or medicine leaking out, you're done. This will go in the sharps container along with all of your other glass. All done.